Very good morning, my dear students. This is Vipin Kumar Gupta. I am the Faculty of English of US Academy and Institute, Gorakhpur. My dear students, in our previous video, we have come to know that there are two books in the syllabus of English in literature section. First is The First Flight, and the second book is Footprints Without Feet. So in previous time we have read the first chapter in the book First Flight, and in this book we are going to start the first chapter, the second book, the book name Footprints Without Feet, and in this chapter we are going to start the first chapter, A Triumph of Surgery. A Triumph of Surgery, that is written by a very famous British writer, James Herriot. James Herriot, who was a veterinary doctor also and was a very popular writer also. Whatever the stories and books he has written, it is mostly about animals because he is a veterinary doctor. So this present chapter is actually a semi-autobiography of the writer. He is going to tell about the same. So in the chapter A Triumph of Surgery, we will read about one very important fact in our life, that excess of anything is not good. Excess means too much. Excess of anything, be it of anything, it is not good. And if you are talking about love, it is also not good if you are making excess love for anyone. The same thing has been happened in the story Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey, who is a central character, main character of this story. Mrs. Pumphrey has a very small dog. You can see in starting here, Tricky. Tricky, who was a small dog. Mrs. Pumphrey had a small dog named Tricky. Mrs. Pumphrey was a very rich lady. She was very rich lady. That was the reason she was overfeeding the dog Tricky. And that overfeeding turned into a very bloated sausage dog and an ill dog. That overloved, pampered and overfeeding make ill the dog Tricky, because he was being overfed too much. That was the reason Mrs. Pumphrey could not understand what to do, because she loved her dog very much. That was the reason she was overfeeding it. Tricky, who was a small dog, loved very much chocolate and cream, Horlicks, everything, those all things. And those all things of feeding made it pampered and like a blotted sausage. Blotted sausage, my dear student, blotted means swollen and sausage means a piece of meat. So it was looking like, Tricky was looking like a blotted sausage. But Mrs. Pumphrey could not understand what to do. She could not understand what is the reason behind that. Because of his overfeeding, the dog Tricky has become very slow. He has fallen ill, and that was the reason he could not speak anything. The dog was moving very slowly. Mrs. Pumphrey could not understand what to do because the dog was not reacting as it was reacting earlier. One day, you can see in starting, one day from here you can see I was really worried about Tricky. This time I had pulled my car, and when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. Writer said, in starting, when Mrs. Pumphrey was taking a jogging along with her dog Tricky. Writer Mr. James Herriot saw the dog and became very shocked because the dog was looking very fat, like a bloated sausage, and at a leg at each corner. His eyes, bloodshot and rheumy, stared straight ahead of his tongue lolled from his jaws. So in this way, my student, you must have understood that this story is all about two main character. One is Mrs. Pumphrey, who is a rich lady who was always overfeeding the dog, and the second character is a very small dog named Tricky. So, writer James Herriot was the neighbor of Mrs. Pumphrey. So, one day Mrs. Pumphrey said to Mr. James Herriot, the doctor, that my dog is not reacting very well. I think he has fallen ill. The doctor James Herriot saw the condition of the dog and at once came to know that it was just because of overfeeding. But the doctor knew very well that Mrs. Pumphrey loved the dog very much. That's why the doctor did not say like that. The doctor James Herriot said that your dog is suffering from a very serious disease. That's why it has to be hospitalized at once for 15 days. Mrs. Pumphrey became very sad to listen this because she loved the dog very much. She could not keep the dog away from her. That's why she became very sad. But as the dog was suffering from a disease, that's why she got ready for that. And she gave a lot of things and bed materials for the dog. When the doctor James Herriot was taking the dog to the hospital. But the doctor refused for anything. And after that, the doctor took the dog Tricky and came to his hospital. Here, the doctor did not give anything to the dog for 2 days. After third day, the dog was moving here and there and started playing with some other dogs which were in the hospital. The dog was playing here and there, and after some time, when the other dogs were struggling for food material, Tricky was also struggling for the same. The doctor James Herriot was not giving too much food to the dog. He was giving him something to eat with some intervals. And after few days, Tricky was feeling well now. His weight that was reducing and he was feeling well. And when Mrs. Pumphrey came to know, she listened that Tricky was getting well. Mrs. Pumphrey sent dozen of eggs to the hospital to feed the dog. But the doctor James Herriot did not give a single egg to the dog because doctor knew very well his illness was just because of overfeeding. That's why the doctor did not give a single egg to the dog. Instead of that, the doctors and his partner took all the eggs in his morning breakfast. The doctor became now very happy because he was regularly getting eggs in the morning breakfast. After few days, Mrs. Pumphrey sent wine for dog because she thought that the wine will increase the blood circulation in Tricky's body. But the doctor did not give a single drop of wine to dog. Instead of that, he took all the wine along with his partner, along with his companion. Now Tricky was improving very fast because he was getting very in few cases the food materials and whatever he required. While Tricky used to eat chocolate, cream, Horlicks, eggs, meat, those all things in Mrs. Pumphrey's house. While here he has to struggle for food with other dogs. He was walking here, he was playing with other dogs, he was enjoying here. That's why he was improving very fast. Doctor was giving him food materials only in a interval, not continuously. After few days, Mrs. Pumphrey sent few bottles of brandy for Tricky. But again, the doctor did not give a single drop of brandy to dog. Instead of that, he took all the brandy along with his companion. Now, The dog Tricky was improving very fast, and now he was feeling much better. And when Mrs. Pumphrey came to know that, she became very happy. But Dr. James Harriet wanted to keep the dog for all time along with him, because just because of the dog, Dr. Harriet was getting continuously eggs, wines, brandy, a lot of things, a lot of food materials. That's why he became very happy to have the dog. But finally, as the dog finally improved and was much better than earlier, the doctor called Mrs. Pumphrey and told her that now your dog is much better than earlier. He is well now. Now you can take it to your home. When Mrs. Pumphrey saw her dog, she became very happy. And in the end, she said, the entire staff was roused and maids rushed in and out, bringing his day bed, his night bed, favorite cushion, toys and rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, super bowl. Realizing that my car would never hold all the stuff, I started to drive away as I moved off. After that, when Mrs. Pumphrey saw that condition, she became very happy and said to the doctor that thank you doctor very much. Mrs. Pumphrey said to the doctor, thank you doctor very much. Oh Mr. Harriet, she cried, how can I ever thank you? This is a trip of surgery. Now Mrs. Pumphrey was very happy to see the condition of the dog, but still she did not know actually what was the illness, what was the disease. She did not know. She knew that much only, that Tricky was suffering from a disease and the surgery was taken place, and finally the surgery was successful. But she did not know it was just because of overfeeding. Overfeeding. But finally the dog was feeling well. Mrs. Pumphrey was looking very happy. She said to the doctor thank you, and finally she moved from there. And in this way, my dear student, the story gets over, and in the story we came to know that excess of anything is not good. Be it of anything, excess is not good. Overfeeding is not good. So in the chapter we came to know that what is the effect of overfeeding. So I hope, my dear student, you have come to know, you have got the substance of the chapter. In the end of the video, you will find some important word meaning and questions, which question answer you have to write in your answer sheet. Okay, thank you.